What's good, people? Welcome back. Hey, of course, what you hear in the background is my cat, Kitty Sasuke. Montage, if you will. But today I'm gonna be talking to you about wet or damp locks, of course. I know it's summertime, we're the end of summer, getting towards that. It's still hot, you still want to get in the water, in the pool, you know what I'm saying? Fine and dandy. If you do get your locks interlocked, they won't look as frizzy as if you have them comb coiled or palm rolled. That's a fact, yeah. That's true. 2-strand twist also. Here is what you can do as far as drying your locks. You know, some people, they use dryers or, you know, the handheld, whatever the case may be. Me, I air dry. So that's what I'm gonna be talking about. If you do use heated dryers, I recommend that you use it to get most of the hair dry and then air dry for the rest of the way. Don't try to heat dry the whole head because you might, you know, do a little heat damage, make it a little too dry. You might have to go strong with your moisturization, you feel me? So let's get into it. If you just came from the pool or the beach and it's late, you know, or you just wash your hair at night and it's like 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. What you want to do is, of course, take the towel, squeeze the parts of the locks that are the wettest. Try to get the towel to soak that in. Then when you go lay down, put a towel over your pillow. A fresh one, if the towel you just used is too damp, of course. And then when you wake up, of course, let your hair stay loose. Don't put a ponytail in, none of that. Let it stay loose. If you need to get in the sun, get in the sun. Don't try to sit under AC. You might get a little cold, I don't know. Make sure the hair is loose so that way all the air can get to the areas that are still wet. If you do have some moisturization in there as far as sealing oils, you should be good on staying moisturized. So, if you go to the beach or the pool, squeeze dry with a towel. Let it drip drop, air dry. If you're not done by the nighttime, put a towel on the pillow, lay on it. Don't wrap the head up. I know some people, they'll wrap their head up with a towel, go to sleep, That's one of those things that could cause that wet mold buildup. You don't want that. No, you don't want your hair smelling like clothes that's been wet too long. That's basically what that smell is. That's that mildew mold smell. You don't want that. Some people, they have this perception of locks or dreadlocks, and they say, oh, people who wear them or have them typically don't wash them that often, and that may be a situation for them as far as mildew. It's not the case for everybody. Some people haven't because they don't dry their hair properly, and the rest of us are good. If you think that people with locks have mildew or mold in their locks just because, you got it all wrong. There are people that wash their locks like they're supposed to. Plus there's people that don't, and I ain't got nothing to do with that. So, if you want to dry them locks and stay away from the mildew, and air dry is your only option, then make sure you're not confining the hair. Something like a ponytail, that'll keep it wet. So you want to have it all loose. That way the air can get and run all the way through. You know what I'm saying? So, but this has been a quick video to let you know what you can do to avoid the mold if you ain't got a hair dryer or blow dryer or something like that. You blow dry people, blow dry most of it, air dry the rest of the way. You got 5 minutes, 10 minutes to dry it out. Bow, you good. People who don't have it, you just gotta wait it out. Be patient. Don't put the ponytails in. Don't put it up, style it up. You just trap the more water in there, the more compact you try to make your hair. Have it loose, you be good. Till next time, it's your boy Mo Bay. Keep it locked, keep it peace, and I'm out. Hold on, is that what I say? Keep it locked, keep it healthy. Till next time, it's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.